Some provide full guide. Please don't skip my video. I'm not using my DJI RC, I'm just using my drone. So must be connect your SD card in your drone. So first open your drone. Okay, if you want to use your Android or iPhone, the same process. So if you want to use your iPhone, open your App Store, or if you want to use your Android, open your Play Store. Go to search option, search that to DJI Fly. At first install these apps. I'm already installed this. Press on to open. This app is totally free. Click on to settings. Turn off and turn on Bluetooth. Close this and reopen these apps. Then successfully connect this drone. Okay. Press on. Showing it to this drone. Okay, alright. Now successfully connect this. I'm just transfer any photo, video to SD quality. So like you just select any video, like I'm select this video, press on to download option. Okay, just select full download, then it's downloaded to SD quality. Okay, now it's downloading. Now successfully download this. Close and open my photo apps. So as you can see, now successfully transfer this video. So that's it.